Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to give Robux to friends, so let's get started. To begin, your friend needs to prepare their Roblox account. Ask them to open the Roblox website. Click on Create, then head into the Creations tab. Here, they should select one of their existing places to proceed. Once the place loads, go to the Monetization section. In this tab, there's an option called Passes. Click on it and create a new game pass. The image can be left unchanged. Set the name as Donation, then click Create Pass. After the game pass is created, select it and go to the Sales tab. Toggle on Item for Sale and set the price. Remember, Roblox keeps 30%, so your friend will receive 70% of the amount set. Click Save Changes to confirm the settings. Next, click the three dots beside the Game Pass and copy the URL link. This link must be shared with the person who will be giving the Robux. Once they open the link, they'll see the item listed under your friend's name. Click Buy, confirm the purchase, and that's it. The Robux will be credited to your friend's pending balance and delivered after a few days. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.